Welcome to the Data Cloud session. Today topic is harmonized data plus AI to create powerful automation. So let's start. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajnish Kumar. I am the CTO of Vandish Technology. I have total 25-year experience in IT. So let's start. So as I explained my previous webinar, this is a reference architect. If you look in the left hand side is data in. The couple of sources data is coming into the data cloud. Some of them are whole Salesforce ecosystem, analytic tool, or IoT telematic, ERP, website, or any data lakes. And this is a couple of way you can ingest this data into the data cloud. And this is ingestion is happening couple of way, in scheduler way or stream way. And also you can harmonize this data, unify this data, enrich this data, this layer, and then you can analyze through the segment, analyze and predict, calculated insight, analytic and visualization, and automated and generate. These are the analysis section. And then after that, once everything is done, then you can act on data and send it out to the different system, which is Slack or any custom app or Google app or anywhere wherever you want to send it to this data. So this is a reference architect for the data cloud. So let's explore what is a data plus AI use case. First is a smarter outreach and accelerate engagement. So what does it mean is basically is your data cloud whole data is in one place. It is a and then you are working on the single view of data so that you will have a more visibility on your data and you can act on those data. So that's what it is. Second one, unified view of customer. The same thing is like data is coming. You are ingesting data from all different sources, and then you are creating unified view of the customer through the data cloud. And from there, you are enabling your innovation from there because you have a 360 view of the data information. Third one, actionable customer insight. Now, once you have all set of data into one place, and then you are seeing in those data how it is look like for your system is now you can act on and create the insight, or you can create the any kind of use case top of your unified data. That is what customer insight is. You're creating and you can use a um, calculated insight or any of those things within a data cloud. And fourth one is proactive sales and services. What does it mean is basically is if data is there, you have all insight of the data. Now you know where your product need to be focused on, or where you need to be handle your service team, where we are lagging into the our product. Those are the information you can easily extract from data as soon as this data is available in one places. So these are the some use case I listed out over here. Now, another thing is how data plus AI working in the data cloud environment is. So, if you notice, the left hand side is the data source. Couple of way data is coming into the data cloud, which is owner portal, captive finance, any financial system. You have website, mobile, data lake, database, IoT, telematic, CRM. Any of the places data is coming and coming into the one place is, and you are harmonizing and unifying this data through the data model. And once is this harmonization and unification of data is done, then you are analyzing and predicting on those data and creating AI on top of that is like I mentioned couple of prediction and a score, automation, calculated insight, integrated to the third party, analytic visualization, generate, activate. All this kind of action you can get it done through the data cloud, and you can enable automation and AI and automation from there. So that's the whole intelligence you are adding with your data through with the help of data cloud. Now, in this demo, I'm going to show how data, which is unified data, it is over here with AI action. we are adding the AI action with within a CRM system, and how we are securing this whole flow is. So this is enabling to the Einstein platform, and this is whole flow. I'm going to show the demo in this session. So if you look for unification, which is get it done through the data cloud, AI action, which is get it done through the Einstein, and then this is Einstein or Copilot. This is a part of the Copilot. This is Einstein. You are enabling Einstein. I will show you like how you can enable the Einstein within your CRM system, and then you can enable and streamline your whole processes. So that's the whole. I took the this flow in one of the use cases, reservation system, which I'm going to walk through in my demo section. So this is I'm going to what I just explained, harmonized data plus AI to the create powerful automation. I'm going to just give a demo. So let's jump on the demo. So use cases for this demo is streamline the reservation system for the Coral Cloud Resort. So data residing in the two different places. One is CRM, another one is reservation system, which is external system, and we are going to pull that data into the data cloud, and we can unify that data and then enable through the Copilot, so that reservation system will be smooth for the customer. So let's start. Let's start from the searching data cloud. Data cloud. And then you start the data streaming, ingesting to the data to the data streaming. Currently I ingested three data, but you can do as I explained my previous webinar. You can search from here, you can find the data CRM, and then go to the next. So currently it is bundled as the API data over here. So I'm just waiting for the get populated. So you can import this ingest the data from here. The three different field is over here is contact, external guest, and external reservation. So contact is part of CRM, external guest and external reservation is part of the reservation system, which is externally to the Salesforce. So let's jump on the. So here is the three different data is over here, three different data lake object. And now I'm going to uh, I, unified this data from the contact and then external guest. So let's start from here. Identity resolution. I created a guest name and email so that we can unify this data. Let's look into the what I configured over here. So currently it is 44 and by 68. 44 is being resolved among the 68 data, and then you can see what are the rules is over AI is configure fuzzy name and normalized email. You can see uh, this is a rule is being configured for the identity resolution. You can add the multiple rule over here based on your comment is. So right now I'm going with the this one. And another thing is you can notice is there is a warning sign is there. You can configure based on your priority. Right now we are going to default. This is warning sign is coming, so default reconciliation rule is enabled. You can disable and you can select based on your comment is last updated most frequently and source priority. I'm going with that. Once this is being resolved, or data is unified, we will succeed this one. Now start with the setup. You can start looking for the object manager. So go to the setup and come over here and search for the object manager. And then you can see this object manager over here. Once you click object manager, look for the contact because we are unifying data about the contact like a different email address or different name, fuzzy matching. Those are the things we are looking for. So all information is the part of the contact. So let's search for the contact. I'm searching contact over here, and now you can find the contact over here. So once you get this contact, then click the data cloud related list, and then here is already I created for reservation from the external reservation system. You can create, you can start from here the new default, and then look for the, so look for this object and create the next, and it will create for you same I'm going with the CCID, and this is what we created for the unified data to the identity resolution. So this is what you can go to the next, and then you can next it will create for you. So this is what it create from there. If you notice, is source data cloud object is external reservation, and once it's done, then you can put the name, reservation, and everything. It will populate for you. Now you can go to the lightning page record page so that you can configure your page. Here you look for contact record page. That is what you can click this one, or you can start the new one, starting the configuration from here. New page assignment, you can start from here, like go with the what page layout you want to go with. This is lightning app builder. Select for the home page if you want to the home page record page. So based on that one, you can create your page from here. So currently it is being configured over here. If you notice is how it is look like. Now, if you notice, is already it is this page is loading, and this is already been created. So this is what you can look into the how you can create. You can go to the dynamic related list. You can pull over here. You can pull over here, and then you can fill this information. If you notice, is this is a dynamic related list. Single is over here, and then I added the this information. Use this contact asset related list label, and then I added a couple of field over here, and then save it. So this information will populate it. So once it's done, then you can go back to the your over here and search for the sales. Since we created a contact page, so look for the contact page. If you look for the I created the contact page over here, contact record page. So look for contact sales page, and then the contact, and you see like a field is being populated over here. Now you can click the any of those new item which is created for you, and then you see this is being created. This is see like what is the check-in and check-out date, and what is the room type, and reservation is what is the status of reservation. It is a start because we fill up this all information over here: asset name, serial number, install date. This is what it is showing a status. So this is what it is coming from here related list. So asset number, serial number, install date, everything is coming from here. So you could look for, and then it is already there. So next, our next step is to enable flow and create the Einstein copilot. So for that you have to become again setup, and then search for the flow. Oh, sorry, flow. And you see like make sure that you are under the process automation. So click the flow, and now you are on the flow page. You can start to creating from scratch, from starting a create of your flow from scratch, and then select for build trigger and it will create for you. And then I start to adding those field. Already I created for you. The name is um, I created a flow. This one I created create check-in guest event. So this I created a flow for you for this project. And you see, if you notice, is data is coming for data cloud, and now you get the data record from the data cloud edit event, and you see like the make sure that this radio button is being checked, so that the data is coming from the data cloud. And object unified link individual CCID, uh, which is a unified data. This is coming from the identity resolution. So if you notice, is I added some filter on top of that this data. Source record ID equal contact ID. Now same thing is in the second filter. I added some more filter over here. The data is coming from here. Same thing is data for unified data, and then more condition over here. So is based on your requirement, what condition you want to put for this flow, what kind of action you want. You can create this flow based on your requirement. Same thing is reservation side. This data is coming from the reservation, external reservation, and this is a condition we put over here. Unified link and source candidate. So this is descending order, click in check-in date, descend sort by. And now once this flow you're done, and then you save and activate. That's how you can enable your flow from here. Now to enable your Einstein, make sure that you search over here. Is in search for the agent, and make sure that before agent you have to enable this Einstein Copilot for. If you're not coming this page or disable, make sure they go to the permission set. Go to permission set, and then it will go to the your your I'm just looking for the classic page of the. So if you're not coming, so go to the permission set, and then go to the view in the classic page, and permission set. Look for the Einstein. Search for the Copilot, and then you can see. Make sure that you enable this feature for you, so that this feature will come. So let's go to the agent. And now this is already as soon as you're creating so Einstein Copilot is enabled for you. So as soon as you click this one, you see this is being created uh, for me by me. So open in builder, I want to show the how you can configure this one. So this is, if you notice, is in this Einstein agent builder flow. You notice this is a topic is there. Make sure that you click this topic. If it's not automatically create for you, you can create the custom topic for yourself, so that you can work on the Einstein Copilot part. So as soon as you click, and then this topic action, you can click that one. You see like you can search for the your flow. You can find this flow and click this one. So now once you click and you assign, this is, you can see this is how it's going to look like. And once it's done, once you assign that one in the topic, and then you can see over here. Another thing is agent action. Agent action is I just show to you over there. It is populating, or it is being created. Agent action. So let's, you can create from here agent action. Put the name, flow. It is coming as a flow. And next, create the next, and select for the create event. This is this information is coming from your flow, whatever you just created in flow. That's what it's based on your flow. It will populate over here, and then you go to next, and it will create the agent action, and then you can assign this agent action in the Einstein Copilot, whatever the agent action you created. So this is what create agent action event. So that's how it is look like. So now everything is configured for you. Make sure that this is enable. I just making sure. This is enable for you. Yeah. So everything, once this is active, and then everything enable for you. Now you can see this option is over here. At the top, you can see this icon will populate, or this icon you can click now. Once you click, and you can ask your question based on your requirement is. Suppose that I'm asking question. I'm just copy pasting my. Now I just ask a question in the Einstein side. Now it is evaluating is based on your flow, and then pulling that information to you. Let's see. So this is what I got information as soon as I asked Sophia or this contact list. So this is what I'm getting. So this is you can enable. Now you can enable another part of through the Einstein Copilot Einstein to any event is coming. Suppose that any your user is checked in into the Coral Cloud Resort, they will immediately, it will prompt to the user as an email, welcome to the this resort is. So let's see how we can configure that one. So for that one, you need to go over here, search for the prompt, and click the prompt builder. Make sure that this is again, you need to go to the your permission set and enable your prompt builder. Um, so you need to enable this feature and your permission set. And once you come over here, you start with a new prompt build, new prompt template, and then you search whatever you're looking for. Suppose that I want to sales email, I want to send the sales email, and then Template name, you can put the any name, test template. Put the description, contact, it is coming from that contact, and then search for the what object you are working on. Put the, okay, so I'm working on the guest event. So as soon as I click, now it will populate over here. Now, if you look for, I already created over here one of the prompt through the prompt builder, check-in welcome. If you notice, already created. This is the same way I created, and you notice is this is a model type standard. What model it is using, you can select whatever model you want to. Currently, it is activated. So you need to pass this parameter input as a sender name, sender phone, email. So as soon as you enable this one, so you notice is that as soon as you enable from here resolution, and then save and activate, this is your prompt. So now go to the yours again, sales. Go to the sales page and click the contact. And now I'm sending an email to Sophia Rodriguez. And if you notice, there is a icon over here for sending an email, welcome email. It is prompt everything. It will prompt to me. Currently, it is populate where it is coming from and who I'm sending to. Blank copy to the for me so that I can validate what information coming. Draft with Einstein. I clicked this one, and now I search in check-in welcome, and now I select this event, guest event, and continue. Now it is automatically populate for you without doing any writing from your side. Is just see is everything is configured, everything get it done by Einstein. You just need to send this email. If you want to edit something, phone number, like you want to edit the phone number, and now you can put the phone number. Let's do it. So I just get a dummy phone number over here so that it will go, and then once it's done, and then send it, and then email sent from here. So everything is so streamlined. Your whole registration process is so streamlined without doing without going away from this pages, and everything is defined through the AI and Einstein. So this is a whole uh, use case where a data model and AI involved to streamline your whole process from end to end. If you have any question related with this data cloud and AI Einstein, please let us know. Thanks for joining.